Hey class, it's Miss Easterly here. So I'm going to show you guys how to create a map using Google Slides. If you've been in my class before, you know that we do this on Google Drawing. Basically, same system, just in a different Google app. So how you're going to create a map or selecting or labeling countries. On the left, there's a green text box. It says using a textbook on page 72 or using Google Images, please label the following modern countries of Africa. So the first one we have to label is Ghana. I'm looking at the textbook. I have located Ghana. So we're going to insert an arrow and a text box that we can label the country of Ghana on the continent of Africa. So how we're going to do that is at the top where the menu is, there's an option for line. If you click on the arrow pointing down, you will see that arrow is an option, so go ahead and click that. You know that you selected the arrow because the cursor is a plus sign. So I'm going to click and with my mouse pad and my finger drag the arrow to the country of Ghana. It's blue because it's selected. When I click out of that, you can see that the arrow is there pointing to the country of Ghana. So how I'm going to label that is by using a text box. At the top, there is a T in a box. If you go ahead and click on that, that's the text box. You get a plus sign. You know they're about to make something. If you click down on your mouse pad and hold, you get a text box. And I'm going to label it Ghana. When I click out of it, I see that it's not really matched up with the line. That's going to bother me. So I'm going to click on it, push down, and drag where that arrow is. Now, class, you can get fancy if you want. You can change the size of the arrow by going to line weight, maybe choosing 4. It gets super ridiculous if you do 24, so probably nothing bigger than a 4. You can also change the color of the line if you want to do it red or yellow or stick with blue, up to you. You can also change the font of your labels as well. As long as I can read it, I'm cool with it. So you're going to do that same system for Mali, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Niger, and Ethiopia. And then the box that's blue to your right also tells you where the kingdoms are located in which modern day country. Okay, class, so that's how you label a map on a Google slide.